Hi friends, welcome back to my channel again. So in this video I'm going to share my LinkedIn profile for 5 minutes and let's see how many jobs we can able to pull. Let's jump into the video, friends. So basically friends, this is my profile, which is Prakash K. Here is the link I will be sharing in the description. So take a look and follow. Let's search for the feed. So Jairaj Wala is looking for, his friend is looking for senior software engineer role. So if any HR is looking this video, you can hire this, you can reach to this number and hire this candidate. And also Gopi Makwana is also hiring for senior software engineers with 4+ years of experience. So if anyone is looking for a job, you can share your resume with her. And this person shared internship opportunity, but I don't know where. Looks like it is a blog. So one of my friend is looking for opportunity as a business analyst. So in my previous videos I have shared the links of business analyst role. Also HR Swati Sharma is also hiring for senior business analyst profile. If you are taking a look, just reach her. And imageinnovative.com is hiring for Java developers. If you are interested, you can share your resume with this email address, or else you can directly apply through the link. So I would be sharing this post, so it will appear on my page. And keeping that aside, Mirfra Technologies is hiring for RTL microarchitecture design. If you are interested, you can share your resume with janagarada@mirfra.com. So I will be sharing this post as well. So one of my friend is looking for a job change. So in my old video, previous video, I have shared the HR profile opening today itself. And also Upsquare is also hiring for HRs. So if any HR is looking for a job, you can share your resume with this person. And also I would be sharing this as well. And Disney Hotstar is hiring for engineering manager. And Sony is hiring for research data science intern. So take a look and apply. Hinduja Tech is hiring for MATLAB engineers. If you are interested, you can share your resume with this email address. I would be sharing this. And next, this person is a 2022 graduate. He has been laid out. So I have shared freshers hiring in ZOHO and other companies. So AWS is hiring for performance architect in Pune or Chennai. If anyone is interested, you can share your resume with this email address. I will be sharing this. And Offchip is hiring for layout engineers. If you are interested, you can share your resume with sukanya.a@offchip.com. So I would be sharing this. This person is looking for HR opportunity. So if you remember, in our 2 posts earlier, Upsquare is hiring for IT recruiters. So I will be sharing this, so she'll get some idea. And also Gopi Makwana is also hiring for HRs. And UST Global is hiring for mainframe developers with 3 to 6 years of experience. Just pause the video. If you are a good fit, you can share your resume with this email address. I would be sharing this in my post as well. And keeping that aside, hiring alert. Scrabble INC has been mandated to hire CFO. So Kashish is hiring for CFO role. If you are interested, you can share your resume with this email address. I would be reposting it. Also, I will be sharing this post as well. And keeping that aside, Bridging Technologies is hiring for full stack developer. If you are interested, share your resume with this email address. I would be sharing this as well. So Verite.com is hiring for AWS DEVOPS engineers. If you are interested, you can share your resume with this email address. And let's see. And INFOSYS Infotech is hiring for multiple roles. If you are interested, you can share your resume with this email address, nancy.saini@infosys.com.in. And this friend is looking for HR executive role. SOFWARE is hiring. Also, Amazon is also hiring. I have shared in one of my previous video, so taking a look at it would be definitely helpful for them. And Adept Recruiting is hiring for senior manager. So looks like it is a consultancy. I'm not sharing it. So Deloitte is hiring for qualified CAs. If any CA is looking for a job, you can share your resume with this email address. I would be sharing this post. So that's my 5 minutes, friends. In my upcoming video, I will be sharing more relevant information. Until then, keep watching my videos and do not forget to subscribe my channel for more future videos. Thank you and have a great day.